I think that means it's recording. Just about green. I'll do nav lights, strobe. We've only been gone an hour and a half. We'll be a little stuck in the snow. I'll give it a little rock forward and a rock back. Felt this come off on the back. Now we're off on the front. Only 20 inches to cover. Oh, I just saw a piece fall. Should we just get it over with and break it off?
You might by hovering over it.
Oh, look at the rainbow.
Well, over the rainbow.
Lovely singing, honey.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Yeah, that place is freaking amazing. But look at this whole piece is ready to fall.
Right. Yeah, when it does, it can come down even.
Yep, that's probably the sketchiest spot ever. And I was thinking that this lake up here might drain out, but it won't because there's all that rock there. So the rock is holding in the lake.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, see, and it's dirt right there.
Yep.
Oh, it's flowing into it, yeah.
That's a little too small in there for me to feel comfortable to land in. But the edge of this lake and then walk around and check out this waterfall.
Land up above the waterfall and check it out.
On the ice?
Oh, on the ice or on the gravel up there.
Then we'd have to walk across it.
Oh no, then you'll be looking at it. You'd walk over to this rock face there and look at it.
Wow, so much water moving. You mean we could walk across that?
No, I wouldn't walk across that. I'm just saying you could walk right out. You could walk out to this rock outcropping and then look back at it.
So where are you thinking?
Behind us.
I'll get turned around into the wind and then point to me what you're thinking.
Right over there.
On that?
Yeah.
Huh. I don't see anything flat, but let's go take a look-see.
I was thinking out on that tip out there. Thinking right in there.
Okay.
You're almost down on my side.
Oh, I have my bear paw right on a nice solid rock.
Yeah, this is good here. This little back. Let's see how the tail looks. Oh, tail's good.
Okay. Just don't step in that snow, dear.
I do what I want.
But this ice is probably pretty darn solid.
Pretty darn solid.
Okay, I got the GoPro turned off. I'll turn this bad boy off.